Hello everyone. Daily Arts by Rahul. Subscribe and enjoy watch my video. Like and share your friend. Let's draw a painting color, pink. 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 Let's draw a painting color, light green. Let's draw a painting color, light green. Let's draw a painting color, blue. Let's draw a painting color, blue. Let's draw a painting color, red. Let's draw a painting color, red. This is a painted color, purple. This is a painted color, purple.
Goodbye, baby, on the tree.
Let's draw a painting color, yellow. Let's draw a painting color, yellow.
The cradle.